Hey,
Random dad stuff.
what are you doing for El Cinco de Mayo?
I don't know.
Do you know what El Cinco de Mayo is?
5th of May.
Today!
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat a taco?
I don't know.
Anything else?
I went to school.
Okay, did you know any Spanish words you can give our viewers?
Hola.
Which means?
Hi. Or hello. Cinco means 5.
Okay, thanks. Good day, everyone. I'm out here by Homestead City Hall. I've been wanting to come out here for a while, get some drone shots. It's a pretty cool looking building. And so, here you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. That's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned next week, and there's probably going to be some sort of party theme. Who knows? Check out the video over here and over there. In the meantime, bye. Oh yeah, and for those of you wondering about the box from last week, fabricating some special things for this box. You can see I've got these slit all the way down here, this one with the slit up here. See, it's got this little slot right there. So stay tuned to find out what's happening with it.